Neil Armstrong, the first human on the moon. Neil Armstrong, born on August 5, 1930, and passing away on August 25, 2012, is an iconic figure in human history. Known worldwide for being the first person to set foot on the moon, Armstrong's legacy extends beyond his famous lunar landing. His life and career exemplify the human spirit's relentless pursuit of exploration, knowledge, and achievement. Early life and education, birth and family. Neil Alden Armstrong was born in Wapakoneta, Ohio, to Stephen Koenig Armstrong and Viola Louise Engel. He developed an early interest in aviation, influenced by his father's job as an auditor for the Ohio state government, which involved extensive travel. Education and early aviation interest. Armstrong's passion for flying began at a young age. He took his first flight at the age of 6. By the age of 16, he had already earned his pilot's license, before even obtaining a driver's license. He pursued his education at Bloom High School in Wapakoneta and later enrolled in Purdue University, where he studied aeronautical engineering on a U.S. Navy scholarship. Military service and test pilot career. Korean War service. Armstrong served as a naval aviator during the Korean War, flying 78 combat missions and earning several medals, including the Air Medal for 20 combat missions. His experience in the war honed his skills and discipline, which would later prove invaluable in his astronaut career. Test pilot at NACA. After the war, Armstrong completed his degree at Purdue and became a test pilot for the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, NACA, which later became NASA. He tested numerous high-speed aircraft, including the X-15 rocket plane, gaining critical experience in advanced flight techniques. Astronaut career. Joining NASA. In 1962, Armstrong was selected as part of NASA's second group of astronauts. His engineering background, test pilot experience, and calm demeanor under pressure made him an ideal candidate for the space program. Gemini 8 mission. Armstrong's first spaceflight was as command pilot of Gemini 8 in 1966. He performed the first successful docking of two spacecraft in orbit, but the mission faced a critical in-flight emergency when the spacecraft began spinning uncontrollably. Armstrong's quick thinking and piloting skills averted disaster, safely bringing the mission to an early conclusion. Apollo 11 and the historic moon landing, preparation and selection. Armstrong was selected as the commander of Apollo 11, the mission aimed at achieving the first manned moon landing. His crew included Lunar Module pilot Edwin "Buzz" Aldrin and Command Module pilot Michael Collins. The mission required meticulous planning, training, and simulations to prepare for every possible scenario. The journey to the moon, Apollo 11, was launched on July 16, 1969, from Kennedy Space Center in Florida. After a 3-day journey, the spacecraft entered lunar orbit. On July 20, 1969, Armstrong and Aldrin descended to the moon's surface in the lunar module, while Collins remained in orbit. First steps on the moon. At 2017 Coordinated Universal Time, the lunar module Eagle landed in the Sea of Tranquility. Upon stepping onto the lunar surface, Armstrong famously declared, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." His words and actions marked a monumental achievement in human history, symbolizing the triumph of human ingenuity and perseverance. Scientific exploration and return. Armstrong and Aldrin spent approximately 21 hours on the moon, collecting samples, conducting experiments, and taking photographs. They rejoined Collins in the command module for the return journey, successfully splashing down in the Pacific Ocean on July 24, 1969. Life after Apollo 11, public service and academia. After Apollo 11, Armstrong took on various roles, including serving as Deputy Associate Administrator for Aeronautics at NASA and later as a Professor of Aerospace Engineering at the University of Cincinnati. He preferred a low-profile life, focusing on education and inspiring the next generation of engineers and astronauts. Private sector and consultation. Armstrong also worked in the private sector, serving on corporate boards and as a consultant for various aerospace companies. His expertise and insights were highly valued, contributing to advancements in aviation and space technology. Legacy and impact. Global icon and inspiration. Neil Armstrong's achievements have left an indelible mark on human history. His pioneering spirit and historic moon landing continue to inspire scientists, engineers, and explorers worldwide. Armstrong's humility and dedication to his work exemplify the best qualities of a true hero. Awards and honors. Armstrong received numerous awards and honors, including the Presidential Medal of Freedom, the Congressional Space Medal of Honor, and the Congressional Gold Medal. His legacy is commemorated in numerous institutions, scholarships, and monuments dedicated to space exploration. Neil Armstrong's life and career epitomize the extraordinary possibilities of human achievement. From his early fascination with flight to his historic steps on the moon, Armstrong's journey is a testament to courage, innovation, and perseverance. His contributions to aerospace engineering, his role in advancing space exploration, and his enduring legacy as the first human to walk on the moon make Neil Armstrong a timeless icon and a beacon of inspiration for future generations.